how you can fix a Telegram download problem. So the first step is you need to open a Telegram app, and then you need to go to the three lines on the top left corner. Now, once you are here, you need to go to Settings, and inside Settings, you need to go to Data and Storage. Now, again inside Data and Storage, you need to go to Storage Uses, which is under the Disk and Network Uses. Now, this part shows how much of your device's storage is being used by Telegram. So in my context, Telegram has used 1% of my device storage, which has also been broken down into various sections like miscellaneous 67%, videos 29%, documents 2%, photos 1%, other 1%. Now, after it has been broken down, you can see the option of clear cache. You need to go there, and then a warning will pop up. All medias will stay in Telegram Cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. Alright, so we also have a backup in case if we delete any important files, folders, documents, images, or videos. And then we need to click on the option of clear cache. Now our storage has been cleared. And then the other thing what you can do is over here we can see the maximum cache size like 5 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and no limit. Make sure you set this bar to no limits, and in this way you can fix a Telegram download problem. After this, you can go back and try downloading some images or videos from Telegram, and I bet it will be downloaded to your phones, and then you can enjoy watching them. So make sure, if you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.